Welcome back to Car Reviews. Today we're diving into a true icon, a machine built for power, purpose, and pure presence. Say hello to the 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429. At first glance, it looks like a classic Mustang. But look closer. The bulging hood, the aggressive stance. This car means business. Under the hood sits a monster, 429 cubic inches of raw V8 power, Ford's answer to NASCAR. Officially rated at 375 horsepower, but in reality, it pushed well, beyond 500 horses. This wasn't just a car, it was a race weapon. To fit the massive engine, Ford had to send these cars to Kar-Kraft, where each one was modified by hand. Only 1,358 Boss 429s were built in 1970, making it incredibly rare. Step inside, and it's all about the drive. High-back bucket seats, a 4-speed manual, and a cockpit that connects you straight to the road. No tech, no screens, just pure muscle. And when it starts up, you don't just hear it, you feel it. The deep rumble from the dual exhaust is pure American thunder. Behind the wheel, the Boss 429 is raw and untamed. Heavy steering, brutal acceleration. Every gear shift feels like launching a rocket. Today, this car is a legend, a piece of muscle car history. Collectors pay over $300,000 for a clean Boss 429. And once you see it in person, you understand why. The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429, built for the track, designed for the streets, and remembered forever. Thanks for watching Car Reviews. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments.